Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sorbet using your slow juicer. First, select your favorite fruits like berries or mangoes. Wash them thoroughly, then freeze them solid for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Once frozen, cut the fruit into small, 1-inch pieces. This ensures they fit easily into your juicer and process smoothly. Have your slow juicer ready with a collection bowl underneath. Now, let's get juicing. Slowly feed the frozen fruit pieces into your slow juicer. It's important not to rush this step to prevent clogging. If you're using multiple fruits, try alternating them for a more complex flavor profile and smoother consistency. Many slow juicers come with a special blank or sorbet attachment. If yours does, be sure to use it for the best results. This attachment helps create that perfect creamy sorbet texture. To achieve that ideal, smooth sorbet texture, you might need to refeed any remaining pulp back into the juicer 1 or 2 more times. If your sorbet seems too thick or crumbly, add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of a liquid like water or fruit juice to help it along. Taste your sorbet, and, if desired, stir in a small amount of natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup for extra deliciousness. Mix it well. Your homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the absolute best taste and texture, serve it immediately. Scoop it into bowls and savor the fresh, vibrant flavors. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. It will keep well for up to 2 weeks. Before serving stored sorbet, let it soften at room temperature for about 10 minutes. Enjoy your healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.